Hello everyone and welcome to another live trading session here at Candles Before Cubicles. Yesterday I did not trade, I actually overslept. When I woke up it was already 9:35. If I mean I could have traded if I really tried to, but it didn't make sense at the time because it was 9:35. All the basically I would be in too much hurry to set things up, and there was always a possibility that something could go wrong, and the setting up process itself would take at least 15 minutes from booting the system to setting up screens to opening the charts. And most of my entry points usually happens in the second 10-minute candle, and by 9, I don't know, 9:45, 9:50, that would be long gone, and I would just be forcing trades. So I decided not to do it. Yeah, that was what it was. Now that this part is done, I can go to TradingView and open charts there. Okay, so we have a gap down opening. Maybe we will fill the gap and then there might be a reflection. Seems like it would most probably be a slow filling. Or maybe we can fill the gap, go all the way to yesterday's highs, and then come down. I don't know. Or maybe it will not fill the gap, it will just proceed to move downwards. Either way, right now, uh, this open is kind of undecisive. So I'm gonna pull up charts on both sides. Swiggy, Eternal, maybe not the other one. On the other side, we have JSW Infra, Diacaps, Power Grid. I'm just gonna start setting up the position sizes for these. 43, 37, and this should not be between buy and sell buttons. This is so dangerous. 1.61, 39, 4.41, 14, 1 second. Angel one. Immediately we have eternal and diacaps. Eternal and there's a diacaps. These supposedly have high relative volumes. Mm. Right now, there is not much to see. So I think I'm just gonna focus on the two trades I have on the screen and we'll see. Hmm. Yeah, I think we are done for JSW Infra. Maybe we'll get something in the Swiggy if it actually moves. It's moving very slow right now. I got kicked out of JSW Infra. Think I'm gonna go long, I think. Should I? Yeah, let's not do that. Seems like it's chopping around. I'm already down by 44. We are at 1 hour. Should I add? If I add, my average price will really go nuts. Okay, I got kicked out. Fuck. That was a good trade. It's been a while since I have traded like this. That was a good trade. And see, this is one of the problems of adding. Once you add, you become just too jittery. I almost could have had 3 hour here. Fuck. Crazy thing is I don't know how much brokerage I'll be paying, especially on that second hand. Ah man, lot of brokerage. Either way, I'm not really seeing anything else happening right now. And frankly, I do not want to force anything which is not there. Okay, I'm actually happy I got out and the whole thing gave away. Fuck. There really isn't much happening. I mean, the ones I thought would move because of high relative volume are not moving really. Most action is range bound action, but the range is not big enough for me to do anything about it. Okay, now I'm kind of feeling left out. I did not short this. Ah, this hurts. This really hurts. And there is this guy. I shorted it. And now it's going, but it is going without me. What? Why does this happen with me? I mean, I'm losing good chunk of money here, and then it moves in my direction. Now I don't feel that bad. Oh man, today really wasn't the day. Ah, this guy. Fuck this guy. I mean, we can still see my markings on this line. I am through 1 hour. For fuck's sakes. Anyway, guys, I think this is it for today. Uh, it's not a very big figure, uh, but frankly, I'm not seeing any other opportunities here. Some I do see, but I'm not really sure of, and I kind of end up losing them. So this is my figure at the end of this week. I'm up by 500 on the month, which is basically great considering I've never been up by anything on the month before this. Like maybe a little bit here and there, but by the end of 3 week, usually I'm at a point in the month where I just do experiments in the fourth week because I know the month can't be saved. So I start setting up for the next month, do experiments, see what works, and then apply them on the next month, hoping it works there. Uh, Here you can see these are my ups and downs. This is today netting at 45. Now actual was a bit higher, so actual was 71. So you can see I'm not trading badly. I mean you can see my losers are much smaller than my winners, but it's the friction. I mean if you just see how I've done this month, it has been a great month if I say so myself. Uh, I never expected to see a month like this. But when you net it, you can see the downs are more down, the ups are less up, and it becomes a chart like this. Now, from what I understand, as I scale up, the difference between gross and net will reduce. But for now, this is what we are doing. And frankly, if I can end my month at plus 506, I'm gonna be a happy man because I've never had a green month. I have been trading for almost 3 years at this point, and I've never had a green month, at least not on net. At gross, I've had April this year green, and it was hardly green, it was like a scratch month. I was up by 8 rupees, and when you get to net, I was down by 500, 600. Yeah, so I've never had an actual green month where I'm making money after brokerage. And it seems like this time that might change. This month I have been almost up by 572. Then I've had some crazy days. I almost got to 141. This was the lowest I've been on this month after we started it. From there, we have been rising steadily. One more decline to 275, and then we go up again. And right now, we are at 506. Sounds great. Well, at that note, I'm gonna leave you guys. Hope you guys do better than me in trading. Uh, Frankly, although I made more than 100 on this, I feel like It's like the same thing that works for you sometimes kills you. I mean, this thing is going to 2 hour now. Oh my god. So it shook me out, then it moved me in my direction. I mean, what the fuck. Anyway.